Drain doctors here at Trinity High School for Bob Means Plumbing. The sewer was backed up here today, right around 20 foot. We are video inspecting the sewer. We pulled the right side glass handicap stall in the women's room to get the line open today and the last time. What we're looking at right now, around 27 foot, is we are dumping into the main line in the parking lot. Going down to the manhole, we are dumping in the top of it. Going to pull back and show you the condition of the line and show you where we think that the problem is happening. Right here, if you look about 1 o'clock, it looks like the pipe has shifted or dropped or something has happened to the pipe. Both times I've been here to open the sewer, it is blocked around 20 foot from the pooled toilet. Marked outside 2'7" deep, right outside of the curb on the blacktop. Right here, we're coming back to where the men's and the women's room toilets tie in. They are back to back. End of recording.